Childhood is the most important part of human life. A person learns the most important lessons in that time. In some cases, the childhood of a kid is not like you or more. They work when they are underage. This is prohibited and illegal thing to do in Pakistan. Most of the time when someone wants laborers in low age, they hired child laborers. This is the result of lacking for enough resources, irresponsible parents and greedy owners of companies and investors. We have to keep remember that childhood is the purest time to build a good person. Everyone should be with a family and need to have proper education, food, clothes, etc. at that time. This crime should be stopped because children belong to school, not workplaces. Due to poverty, parents send their kids to work. In that case, the government should create work opportunity for adults. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.